name is Jock, and I'm living at the British Albert. As we go along, I'll tell you a little bit more of the harbour and what's going on here. Starting on the right Quay Fort, it's one of the most popular places to eat. The season long they sell 18,000 litres of beer per day, and the estimation at tomorrow is estimated at 1,200. On the right we've got the Hildebrand restaurant. If you like Italian food, a very good place to visit. In the beginning of our waterfront there was a post office and also a fish and chip shop. The Red Clock Tower in front of you was built in 1882. In those days it was actually where the harbour master sat and controlled all the shipping coming in and out on the right here in the Alfred Basin. Bookings for Robben Island you do right in front of us at Nelson Mandela Gateway. Book it a few days in advance, guys. The Alfred Basin here was built by the convicts